We were approached by the Biennale to work on the topic of media credibility together with Delo. And the first thing that we had to do as a design team, since we were all coming from different countries, was to kill the assumptions we had on the topic of media credibility, to really make a project that is grounded in the context of Slovenia and the Slovenian news environment. And therefore we came to Delo, we visited the facility, listened to what the newspaper is working on, how they are working. So we looked for what makes Delo specific, because what do they have which is unique that only them can offer as a news institution. And what quickly became clear is that Delo is one of the oldest newspaper here in Slovenia, on one hand, and on the other hand they have quite a vast network of community. And this for us really became the two aspects that were valuable, because on one hand they have quite an extensive archive which is just sleeping on shelves which they don't use, and on the other hand they have a large community of readers but also of people with expertise and knowledge that is not always used. Yeah, we decided to create Delo Lab as a platform for information production, using the archive as a source of material and bringing different people around the table to discuss this material and how relevant this material still is nowadays. So the idea is that the journalists using the Delo Lab should choose a topic, a theme, which relates to an issue which is currently happening in the society, and that they investigate in the archive to find resources that relate to that topic from the past, and that then they bring around the table people from the past event and from the current event to discuss this topic and how it evolved, how it is connected through time, and maybe to shine new light on this issue.